It was really scary. The front part of the accident. When this same car came to our workshop, the situation was really scary. The front part of the accident was completely damaged. Chassis is broken, engine problem, and the interior was also badly damaged. Many people may think that this car will not be like before, but every car we have has a responsibility and a challenge. First, let's start with heavy denting. As the front chassis was badly damaged, 041, we had to fix it again with the help of an expert technician. Then we did the engine restoration and interior repair. And every small detail was done like our own car. It's not over yet, Doc. To make the car even more different, we installed Sports Kit. Finally, we did the full body bending. We tried to get a premium finish, smooth shine, and a completely new look. And this video is the proof of it. Accident does not mean the car is over. If you have a true workshop, an expert technician, and a human-like work, the car can be even better than new. If your car needs denting, painting, or accident repair, then you can trust us, because we are here to renew your car. And if you like our video, don't forget to like, comment, share.